Good morning, Vietnam. Oh, wait a minute. Good morning, YouTube. What is up? It is about 10:56 in the a.m. and I'm feeling like I need some ice cream. So let's go over to the Dairy Queen and see what they have on the menu. We'll be back with Worm's Big Bite. OMG. Oh my goodness. Num 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 num. Num 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 num. Alright, I'm calming down. Sheesh. Alright guys. I got a small, but Dairy Queen has a peanut butter pie blizzard made with Snickers. A peanut butter pie blizzard made with Snickers. Like I say, this is a small, because you know we only do one big bite, maybe two, maybe three, maybe four. I don't know. But anyway, I haven't had a blizzard. I don't know. I couldn't tell you how long it's been since I had a blizzard. Probably been, I don't know, a long time. I can't even think back that far. But yes, look at all this. Look at all this cold dairy with all these chunks of peanut butter pie and blizzard Snicker pieces in it. I don't know. Can't really smell nothing. Smell a little bit of Snickers. That's a pretty big healthy chunk. You want to try it first?
No.
You sure?
I don't want all that. That'll give me brain freeze.
You have no brain to freeze.
You have a big mouth, so shove it in your pie hole.
Oh, it's cold.
But see, I told you.
Oh, but it's so delicious.
Well, why wouldn't it be? It's Reese's and Snickers.
It's not Reese's. It's peanut butter pie.
It's Reese's. Same thing.
You done
Peanut
messed the
butter.
video up.
Oh, well. It's okay. It's peanut butter.
Cut. Thanks for screwing the video up there, pal.
That's okay. And then, like, bite 3 now. You're going to have to change the name of the channel.
It's ice cream.
Oh, it's on your pants now.
Well, I'm not saying that it's bad because it's not. But to me, it's basically a Snickers Blizzard with a little bit of peanut butter flavoring in it. It's not, like I say, it's not bad, but it's not like woohoo fantastic. What's your verdict on it?
I get peanut butter ice cream with chunks of chocolate, and that's it.
Yeah, that's what I say. It's basically a Snickers Blizzard is what I get with a little bit of peanut butter flavoring in it.
For $4?
Yeah, that was $3.69 for a small. Where would I buy it again? I don't think so. I'm gonna have to leave that one, guys. I sort of disappointed, to be quite honest with you. Like I say, it's ice cream with Snickers and a little bit of peanut butter flavoring. As you can see, this is, like I say, this is a small, which a small is a good size for anybody. But this was almost $4 for this. Almost $4. It's just okay. I definitely wouldn't recommend it. I probably wouldn't eat it more than once. So eat it or leave it. I would probably leave it. But hey, if you guys got a Dairy Queen in your area and you want to go out and try it, by all means go do it. Like I say, you guys might love it. But for me, thumbs down. Much love. God bless you guys. And we will catch you on the flip-flop. See y'all.